everyone, it's Darla. Welcome to my channel, Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. Today is Sunday, November 14th, 2021, and I got a delivery. I was very surprised, especially since it's Sunday, but also some of these items were not supposed to arrive until the end of December, so I'm quite happy. This is from AliExpress. There are 5 packages here. They actually came all in one package. So let's take a look what I got. Oops. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. I ordered some paper. See what's in this one. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. It's actually connected to the table. All right, what do we have here? All right, so there's this paper. This paper with the key on there and the gears. This. More gears and things, chains. Oh, there's feathers and keys and clocks. Oh, birdie, so cute. More chains and gears, feathers. I plan on making a journal, and I thought maybe some of these would be nice for it. More gears. What else do we have here? This. And then that. All right. So let's go on to the next one. I like these packages. They're resealable. Very thin though, but the paper seems to be good quality. Okay, so there's this one. Oh, these are Christmas. These are Christmas papers that I ordered. Oh, the little hot chocolate, mitts and stockings. Yeah. There's this one. Oh, there's some hats and stockings and mitts. Oh, candy canes and gingerbread man. Gingerbread man and hearts and stars. Yeah. Oh, suckers. That looks like dynamite. Actually, it's a candle holder. This little, what do they call, holly berries or something? Halle berry? No. Well, those are all nice. Okay. And there's one more in this package. I think these were around $4 each, free shipping. I'm not sure how many's in here. Was there 12 or not sure. That's pretty. And just polka dots. Pine cones. Oh, that's pretty. A wreath. Some little, I guess these are snowflakes maybe? Or snow. Not exactly flakes, but. These are pretty. Right? What do you guys think of these? I think this is really pretty here. Okay, so that was in one package. Let's go to the next one. This one feels pretty thick. Yeah, those might have been 12 in those. Maybe this one's a 24. Oh, okay, Christmas party. Okay, so 6 by 6, those were also 6 by 6. 12 designs times 2 sheets. So, yeah, oh, that's nice. Okay, so there's 2 of each. Presents. That's pretty. Bells. Are these, I don't know, mistletoe? I don't know. Oh, candy canes. Just kind of a plainish with diamond shapes. Yeah, I think they're nice. They're pretty good quality. All right, see what's in the next one. Oops, did I show my address? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, this one's thick too. Ooh. Do I keep showing my address? Darn it all. Okay, this feels like a 24 pack. Okay, so this is the Scent of Roses 6 by 6, 24 sheets, 12 designs times 2. Perfect for card making and scrapbooking. So let's see. Trying not to, I don't want to lick my fingers. That's gross. So these. Oh, that's pretty. What do you think of that? Oh, and then some writing. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty. I like that too. Like a plaid kind of thing. Oh, I like that. Oh, pretty. I'll try to put the links below for everything in case you guys are interested. I'm not affiliated with AliExpress at all. Okay, next one. Yeah, I went a little crazy on paper packs. I don't have a lot of time for making cards because I mainly do crochet, but all right, so these are Christmas. Look at the stockings. So these would be, let's see, and 24 in this pack. Oh, here it is, Christmas season. I don't like when they write it like that, when they cross out Christ from Christmas. I don't like that at all. Yeah, I hesitated on getting this pack because of that. But 12 designs, 2 sheets. It says 160 gram wooden free paper. So not made from trees, I guess. Yeah. No, that's pretty. Okay. Did I miss one? I did. There's 2 the same there. It's a cardinal. That's pretty. And skates, ice skates, clocks, bells, letters, some presents. Oh, that's pretty. Christmas trees. Socks. That's pretty with the snow and the presents down here. There's a drink, candles, clock, or pocket watch, I guess. Presents. Okay, we have one more package here. Okay, one more package. Now this is a white one. No, it's oh yeah, okay. This was the one I was actually gonna use for some kind of journal. It's aged paper, 6x6, 24 sheets, one side printing, acid-free, lignin-free. I don't know what that is. Maybe you guys know. Okay, let's take a look at this aged paper. Yeah, that's what I was going to use, the aged paper, and then the ones with the keys and gears and things on it. Yeah. Wow, that looks really good. So, oh, look, it's like it's got a fold in it, but it doesn't. That's really cool. Put that down. Oh, this one too looks like it's wrinkly and got a fold in the middle, but it's smooth. That is really neat. Oh, and this one looks like it's crumpled up paper. Oh, I love these. Oh, that's really neat. What do you guys think of these papers? I know you can age paper yourself by using tea and stuff. I've never tried it, but these kind of look like that to me. Okay, I'm trying to go fast, guys. I don't want this video to drag out too long, because sometimes, you know, you have other videos to watch of other wonderful channels. And other videos of mine. That looks like it's got almost like the peak from an envelope in there, or just a wrinkle. Not sure. But that's okay. Here's another one that's looks like it's been folded. All right, so that's it, guys. Wow. I really, like I said, I wasn't expecting these till the end of December, and it's the end of November, so awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.